The gap between the life you could live and the life you live today is called focus. Most people don't fail because they lack talent, intelligence, or opportunity. They fail because their attention is scattered. They chase too many things, start without finishing, and spend years being busy without ever moving closer to the life they truly want. Focus is what separates wishful thinking from real achievement. When you focus on a clear goal and commit to consistent action every day, something incredible happens. Small efforts begin to compound, skills improve, confidence grows, opportunities appear, and over time, the life you once imagined starts becoming your reality. The truth is, financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built through focus, discipline, and a willingness to stay committed long enough to see the results. That's why so many entrepreneurs are looking for opportunities that allow them to build something of their own instead of spending years helping someone else build theirs. At TruPowur, we provide independent business partners with the tools, training, technology, support, and exclusive opportunities needed to create a long-term residual income stream. Instead of selling products people don't need, you'll be helping customers save money on something they already use every single day: energy. Every customer you help has the potential to create recurring income that compounds month after month and year after year. The more focused and consistent you become, the greater the opportunity to build a business that can create lasting financial freedom for you and your family. The future you want isn't waiting for luck. It's waiting for your focus. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.